In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Figma on PC step by step and get it set up properly so you can start designing right away. If you've been trying to install Figma on your computer and want a simple, beginner-friendly guide, you're in the right place. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to figma.com/downloads. This is the official Figma download page, and using the official site is always the safest way to make sure you're getting the correct installer for your device. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the download options. Now, depending on your operating system, choose the version that matches your computer. If you're using Windows, click the Windows download option. If you're on Mac, choose the Mac version instead. It's important to select the right one because the installer needs to match your system for everything to work properly. After you click the correct download button, the download will begin automatically. Just wait for the file to finish downloading before moving on. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the download is complete, open the setup file from your downloads folder or from the download bar in your browser. When the installer launches, follow the on-screen instructions to install Figma on your PC. This process is usually very quick and straightforward, so just continue through the prompts until the installation is finished. After Figma is installed, open the app. You'll see a login screen, and from here you can click Login with Browser if you already have an account. If you do not have a Figma account yet, you can create a new one first and then continue with the sign-in process. When you choose Login with Browser, your web browser will open to authenticate your account. This step connects your Figma desktop app to your online account so your files, projects, and settings can sync properly. Once the browser opens, sign in to your Figma account if prompted and complete the authentication process. After that, you'll see an option to open the desktop app. Click that button to sync your credentials and jump straight into your Figma dashboard. This is the final step that connects the browser login to the desktop application. And once it's done, you're ready to start using Figma on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Figma on your computer and signed in to the desktop app. From here, you can start creating designs, collaborating on projects, and exploring all the features Figma has to offer. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.